Hi, ninth grade English. This is Ms. Stapp with your weekly overview of the lesson plan. Look, it's May 4th through May 10th. We're finally officially in May. You're in the home stretch. I wanted to remind you about our Zoom meetings on Thursdays. Ms. Hintersher and I conduct meetings, and we know not everybody can make it. We would like you to, if at all possible. What we're exploring in those Zoom meetings are helping you write a little deeper. For instance, you are really good at this point at the characterization and understanding those relationships and the events going on in The Great Gatsby, but we want you to be able to demonstrate that you understand what the author is trying to tell us about American life in the 20s, about the jazz age, about the status of marital bliss or otherwise, and so forth. So come to those meetings, and those students that are attending, you can see through their writing that they have a better feel for the direction we want to go, especially considering that next year is 10th grade and you'll really be delving into this analysis again on a much deeper level. So join us if you can on Thursday and we will talk. Let's see. Read chapters 8 and 9 of The Great Gatsby. So things go from bad to worse at this point for Jay Gatsby. So if you love that character, you're going to have to read and see what happens. Also, join us for Zoom if you are dismayed or overjoyed by what happens, and you can get some of that off your chest. So, step 2, after you've done some reading, is to write your assigned claim dialectical journal entry based on last week's assigned claim topic. Now, remember, we gave you a series of 5 topics to choose from, and then you chose which direction or which way you were going to argue those topics. So you put that into an organizer. This week, you're just going to write it out into that Peel style paragraph, okay? If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Hintersher and myself through email. We can set up a Zoom and help you with this. You also, when you write, you need to be looking back at the feedback Ms. Hintersher and I have given you on the last journal entry and make sure that you are using that feedback moving forward. Ms. Hintersher and I go and look and make sure, compared to your last entry, that this one has concerns that feedback and that you've written and used all our advice to move forward with your writing. So if you have any questions, again, please contact us and we'd be happy to help you with this next assignment. I made another video for step 3. This is just step 1 and 2, so tune in for that.